The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the ALTON Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The ALTON Police have a confirmed child abduction that occurred at 735 Springs, St. Alton. He is wearing a blue Puma Onesi with white letters Puma on it. He was last seen by his father in the back seat of their gold 2001 Chevrolet Venture minivan, Illinois license CLA4393 in the driveway of the residence at 735 Springs, St. Alton, Illinois. At 7:27 p.m. today, the vehicle was reported stolen with the child in the back seat. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Illinois license CLA4393 in the driveway of the residence at 735 Springs, St. Alton, Illinois. At 7:27 p.m. today, the vehicle was reported stolen with the child in the back seat. Anyone with information should